Capsule 54. The one thing.
You're the one and only thing.
OK. Donc, le chemin pour trouver des grandes réponses à nos grandes questions. Parce que si on veut des gros résultats extraordinaires, il faut se poser des questions importantes. Donc, c'est une question importante. Il faut aussi chercher une réponse importante. OK? Et pour ça, il faut se fixer des objectifs qui sont importants et spécifiques. Il faut vraiment être spécifique. Genre, tu ne peux pas augmenter tes ventes de 5% dans la prochaine année. Non, tu veux doubler tes ventes en 6 mois. Wow! Là, ça te pousse. Et ça te pousse à chercher dans le secteur des possibilités. Qu'est-ce qui est possible pour faire ça? Pas ce qui est faisable ou pas ce qui va me pousser à bouger un peu. Non, il faut sortir de sa zone de confort. C'est quoi les possibilités que j'ai pour doubler mes ventes en 6 mois? Ça demande un effort qui est supplémentaire pour atteindre des objectifs ou trouver des solutions qui sont spécifiques en dehors d'une zone de confort. Voilà. Oui, hein. C'est ce que je voulais dire ce matin. C'est très intéressant comme lecture.
I'm doing it in English now.
Oh,
yeah,
good.
Because I have the Better Than Perfect.
Okay, what's it about?
From Dr. Elizabeth Lombardo. It's about perfectionism.
Okay.
So, it starts to say that perfectionism is kind of accepted in the society and even rewarded. But the person who constantly stays at work until midnight to complete a project, maybe we're striving to have the body of a supermodel or a superhero. Many of us have one or more perfectionist thought, their patterns and behavior that negatively impact our lives on a daily basis. So does any of these tendencies sound familiar? Okay. Oh, I ate one cookie and ruined my diet. May as well eat the entire bag.
Okay.
Now you make a lot of rules for yourself and for the others. Like, I should be more successful. I should be in better shape. She should call me more often. He should do the dishes since I cook dinner.
Okay.
Or, I failed in the past, so why risk it again? Or it's never really going to happen, so why bother? It's strange. That's perfectionism. Do you know that? If only, or you just, you have to get somewhere to be happy. If I only achieve that, then I'll be happy. Happiness is seen as the end game, the result of an achieving goal. Or you may be overweight, struggling to stay on a weight loss program, or underweight and starving yourself, or even average weight but obsessed with food. Now you feel there's never enough time, or that you're doomed to fall short of someone's expectation or your own. So in this book, The Better Than Perfect program, the goal is not to necessarily less perfectionism, but rather a more balanced and comprehensive sense of satisfaction and success. It will put you in control, not your perfectionism. So let's look. This is where we're going with this book.
Really, really interesting.
Yeah.
You like my perfect look?
It's very you're too much perfect. Perfectionism is too much for you, really. À demain.